Good morning, everyone. We're in the office on a Saturday morning doing our SoftWave tissue regenerative therapy. We have a patient who is here on Thursday for their first treatment, today for their second treatment, and I'd like him to share some information with you.
How you doing? My name is Chris. I came in because I was experiencing severe knee pain. Went to go see an orthopedic surgeon who suggested I have a knee replacement. I'm 46 years old. I'm very active, completed a couple Ironmans, some marathons, and don't really want a knee replacement. So when I talked to Dr. Albino about the new machine that he had in the office, I wanted to take this opportunity and get in there. After my first treatment, my pain level went from about a 7 to 8 on a regular basis down into the low single digits, maybe like a 2 or 3, with very little pain the day after. And I'm here on Saturday morning to have treatment number 2.
Thank you.
You moved it all the way off.
I know. Hi, everyone. We're in the middle of Chris's Shockwave treatment. He should be done in a minute or two, and we'll post another video afterwards how he's doing. All right, we're post-treatment now, and Chris is going to give you an update.
Yeah. So normally, if I stand up, like I have a pretty severe amount of pain as I try to make the movement up to down, and there's almost no pain right now from like a flexing position. I mean, it's very minimal if there's any. And then I normally would feel it on like the back push of the knee, and I don't feel very much right now. So I guess two thumbs up.
And what's the pain level now after treatment?
I mean, it's like a 1, maybe a 0.